this is the look I created. This is a shimmery cut crease mauve look with this beautiful neutral Born This Way Natural Nudes eyeshadow palette by Too Faced. So please subscribe, like, comment, hit the bell if you would like to see future looks with this palette. This is my third look that I created. I am just obsessed with this palette. I absolutely love it. So going in with the Too Faced Born This Way, the Natural Nudes palette, I'm going to pick up the shade Seashell, which is that beautiful brown transition shade. And I'm just going to blend that into my upper crease area using a Morphe JH32 brush. Take the shade Warm Rose, which is that beautiful mauve color, and I'm going to take a ColourPop E16 brush, and I'm just going to pack that into the crease fold area. I'm going to take the shade Cocoa, which is that beautiful red tone brown, on a ColourPop E19 brush, which is a much smaller, more defined blending brush. I'm just going to blend that right into the crease fold as well. And then some P. Louise eyeshadow base and a Morphe M124, I'm going to cut my crease. I'm gonna go in with the shade. I'm gonna go in with the shade Glistening Snow, which is that white shimmer shade. And I'm gonna spray my ColourPop E4 brush with some setting spray. This shade is so beautiful. It has this like gold sheen to it. Do you see that? That like golden pinkish fleck to it. It's so pretty. And then back in with a E19 brush, Warm Rose shade. and just blend out those edges. The shade Cocoa. A smaller blending brush. This is the Mauve JH38. Going with the darkest shade in the palette, Truffle. And I'm just gonna carve out the inner V. And then just to blend these two, I'm gonna take the shade Warm Rose again. Sparkling Rum. And I'm just gonna pat that right here. Like that. Just so there's more of a transition from the white to the dark. And underneath my eye, I am going to blend out that dark shade Truffle on the Mauve JH38. Warm Rose again, that mauve shade on a ColourPop E19, and blend that into the bottom lash line. Apply some eyeliner. I'm gonna apply the Clinique Pretty Easy eyeliner. And then I'm going to take Nude by Rimmel London and define my waterline. Tarte Exposed Highlight and highlight my inner corner. I'm gonna apply some mascara and some false lashes. And I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone with the shade Swan. And there was a little bit of that highlight left over on the brush, which really shimmered up the brow bone, which I didn't really want. So. This is the completed eye look. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe.